Welcome back to the channel. My name is Andrew. This is the Medellin Real Estate Investments channel. In this video, we're going to do the coolest apartment that I've seen since I've started doing these videos and selling real estate in Medellin. The first thing that we notice when we walk in here is this living room area that has the gas fire pit there, or the fire line, I should say, or fireplace. You could see the contemporary style mixed with the very modern and chic looking design. This is the dining room table here next to the kitchen. The kitchen has this island here that has the stove tops on it, which is awesome. A lot of cabinet space, a lot of storage space in that room right there to the right. You have the laundry area with the washer dryer combo. We're gonna continue going through here. By the way, this is sold furnished as well, or non-furnished, however you want to negotiate it, but it is negotiable. The owner wants to sell it because he has another deal coming through, so they really don't want to leave this place. I wouldn't want to leave this place, but they have to for business reasons. This is the bedroom down here that has a full bath. They use it as their dog room right now, but that's the full bath. There's another room there, and then we're going to go here to the half bath here. This is a 4-bedroom, 4.5 bath. You can see how beautiful the design has been. And this is one of my favorite parts of the apartment. I mean, there's a lot of favorite parts in the apartment, but here you've got a cinema room, which is amazing. It seats, 8 people plus in here, I think. You could probably fit in 10 people in there if you really wanted to, but it's got a lot of room, and it just seems like a great place to hang out. We're going to go up the stairs here. I love the LED lighting under each step, the micro cement treatment on the walls, the skylights. I mean, this place has it all. Really no expenses spared in this design and this remodel. So we're going to go upstairs here. We're going to go into the master bedroom. The master bedroom has this little lounge area here, because there is a deck out from which we're going to go look at here in a second. But this is the master bedroom. 2 king-size beds up on there with a giant television, a little refrigerator over there so that you don't have to go downstairs. And this is the walk-in closet slash bathroom. This is the closet area here. We're going to walk through it. It's L-shaped. It's pretty large. I mean, you've got a lot of storage space here. I mean, this is a place that you would want to live in, but you could rent it out monthly. And this is the this is the shower area here. Look how big this is. It's got a skylight. I mean, this thing, a 2-person shower. You could probably fit a whole team in there, though. You got the his and hers sink, which is great, and of course the bathtub. Who doesn't want a bathtub like this? This looks just absolutely beautiful. It's stunning, really. And then the toilets. Doesn't really matter. We've got so much other stuff to look at. So we're going to go outside of the master bedroom here in a second. This one is 420 square meters, which is about 4,500 square feet. The asking price on this one is 6,500,000,000 Colombian pesos, which is about $1,500,000. This is the rooftop here, which is awesome. Look at this. You got your own pool, a little workout area there. A dining table, outdoor dining table with the barbecue there and the view of San Lucas. This is just a beautiful apartment. If you want to come see this, or you're looking for something similar or even different, all you got to do is click on the link in the description below, fill out the form, and somebody on our team will get back to you, and we'll get to work as soon as possible. Also, if you want to see some more awesome videos, make sure to check out this playlist right here.